Simonsen from Greatness Advertising. Then old strategy has come back alive on Facebook. If you like content like this around Facebook and Instagram advertising, please give me a like and follow. But let's jump into it. An old strategy has come back alive for advertising on Facebook and also maybe on Google and other platforms. And that is a lead magnet. A lead magnet is where you offer something for free to your prospects. It can be a free guide, a cheat sheet, a free strategy session, or an ebook, but it has to be something really valuable. But you offer it to them for free in exchange for their email address, maybe even their telephone number. And then people sign up for that, and you can then either remarket to them with email marketing, or you can give them a call if you get their telephone number. But this strategy is working really well again. So comment below if you tried it, and don't forget to give me a like, follow and subscribe here on YouTube. Share it with your friends, click that little notification bell if you're on YouTube. And if you want us to do all this for you, then we are an ad agency that specializes in Instagram and Facebook ads for coaches and consultants. If you want to learn more about it, you can book a call with us. There's a link in the description. Please join our free Facebook group, Successful Coaches, Consultants, Entrepreneurs, also link in the description. Take care, bye!